Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining how to complete the WordNet exercise. So the first part in this exercise is to use the tools that we've learned to find all the words for sad. To start out, we need to import WordNet, and then you'll create a list of synsets, which are pretty much different definitions for your word, by saying synsets, or whatever you want to call your list, is equal to wordnet.synsets, and then put your word in here in quotes. I'm using the word nice, but I believe your assignment is using the word sad, so you'll replace the word nice of sad here. And then when you print it, it'll print all the synsets that were found for your word. And next, we're going to create a list of words that are synonyms to the word nice, and based on the definitions that I found. So I'm going to create my empty list here. I'm going to loop through our list of synsets from before. And then we're going to loop through the lemmas of that synset. And we're going to get the name of that lemma and make it lowercase. And say if it's not already in our list of words, then I'll append it as a string to our list. And when you print it, this is what I get. And now, and that completes the first part of the WordNet exercise. The second part is we're going to find all the antonyms for sad and find one level of their hyponyms. So first, I'm going to create an empty list for my antonym synsets. I'm going to loop through each of our synsets from our same synset list as up here. And we're going to get all the lemmas from the lemmas of that synset. And now we're going to loop through the antonyms of that lemma by saying lemma.antonyms. And we're going to append the antonym.synset into our antonym synsets list. And when we print it, here are the synsets that were found. And now we're going to find our antonyms for our word. So we're going to create an empty list here. And we're going to loop through our antonym synsets, the list we created here. And we're going to loop through the lemmas of the current synset that we found, get the name of that lemma, and say if it's not in our antonyms list, then append it. Now we're going to loop through the hyponyms of our current antonym synset by doing ants.hyponyms. Now we're going to loop through the lemmas of that hyponym, get the name, and if it's not in our antonyms, then we'll append it to the list. And when you print it, here's what it got from you. And that completes the second part of the WordNet exercise. And the third part is to create a list of words that should be removed from the crime list created in a notebook and use it to stop word in the crime list. I'll let you do this part on your own. Basically, look through the notebook that you used in class, and you will look at the crime list that you generated, and you'll look through and find any words that don't make sense in the context you're wanting to use them in, and you'll create a list of those words that you want to remove, and you will add that to your assignment when you turn it in. So that's everything you should need for the WordNet assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to either myself or Dr. Goldie.